tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. And guys, I really do thank you for clicking on this video, because each time you click on this video, you just show me your love, and I appreciate that. Thanks for my family, my returning viewers, and thanks for the new subscribers. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead on and hit that subscribe button, and you can become a part of the Precious family as well. Now, today, I'm going to continue my time to share. And guys, I got another product that I think you will like. So, and the name of this product is called Method Still for Real. And it cleans and polishes. Okay, and this is let's see what it does. It's a surface safe, non-toxic, plant-based. It cleans fingerprints, smudges with no streaking. Okay, so this is something that my husband picked up. Forgot to get the name of the store he got it from, but if anyone interested in it, I'll make sure that I get that name from him. But he picked this up for me. I guess he think that I need to clean, 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 and clean. Okay, so once again, this is the Method Still for Real, and we are going to put this to a test. And it's for refrigerators, dishwashers, and stove. To use, you shake well, spray on the soft cloth, wipe with the metal grain, buff with a dry, clean cloth, etc., etc. Okay, guys, let's go ahead on and put this to a test. Okay, guys, so now we are going to test and see if this Method Still for Real clean and polish works. And here are some smears on my refrigerator. As you can see, those right there. Trying to get, okay, let's use this spot right here, and we are going to see if this is going to work. Okay, guys, so let's get this spot right here, and we want to see if this is going to work here. So we saw these spots up here. It's working pretty good. Okay. Okay, so I just cleaned off your little spot so you can see if this stuff really works. And make sure I got enough right here. Okay, so here we are, and here's the spot that I cleaned right above the handles, and here's the spot that has not been cleaned compared to the spots right here. So it cleans pretty good, but as you can see, I had to go over it a second time, and I'm not satisfied with the extra scrubbing I had to do. So with that being said, I would give this maybe, on a scale from 1 to 5, I'm going to say a 3, because I don't like doing extra work. It should have come off with just one spray, one application and one good scrub, instead of me have to do a second application and then I had to do a second and third scrub. There you have it, and I will give it a 4. Maybe I didn't apply enough on the first application, so I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to go ahead on and clean my entire refrigerator, and I will let you see it. Okay, now guys, once you subscribe to my channel, please comment. Please go ahead on and leave me a comment and let me know that you have subscribed, because if you don't, I want to know to welcome you to the family, and I don't want to leave you out, so do that. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.